Electric folding bikes are sprouting up on city streets, trains and buses, in office buildings and campgrounds for a good reason. It is hard to beat the convenience of a bike that origamis down to fit under your desk or into a tight space. Plus, they can make your commute or grocery run faster and less taxing. More and more bike brands are creating the ultimate mini commuter machines. Here is what to look for when you want a compact folding e-bike for multimodal travel days, storing in an apartment, or packing into the RV. Number 5. Jassian. The EB7 electric bike equipped with a powerful 500W brushless motor, boosted the max speed of 20 miles per hour and conquer 15% hill with ease. The 48 V10Ah lithium-ion battery achieves a range of up to 20 to 40 miles per charge. The removable battery design makes charging more convenient. The electric fat tire bike has dual suspensions. The front suspension fork has a bump-absorbing 80 mm of travel and the rear seat suspension to absorb most pressure. The puncture-resistant 20x3 fat tires provide excellent grip and superior shock absorption ability, all to offer you a comfortable, stable, and confident riding experience. The EB7 electric bike is designed foldable. With a folded size of 36*21*29 inch, weight only 59 pounds, the e-bike can be easily folded and stored into the trunk of a car or bring it into subway, making it the best commute and travel companion. The electric bike for adults has an intuitive LCD display, showing the speed, battery charge, pedal assist level, travel distance, and so on. A USB charging port can be used to charge your phone. The Shimano 7-speed system enables you to choose the speed that you enjoy. Number 4. Haybike. Ranger is equipped with a larger capacity 48 volts 15Ah battery and a 500W brushless geared motor to ensure long life and excellent performance. The newly upgraded 4 feet wide puncture-resistant fat tires have better performance and a cooler appearance, with excellent suspension front fork and seat post. In addition to city roads, Haybike Ranger can ride on snow, beaches, rugged mountain roads, etc. It only takes 2 steps to fold the bike and put it in the trunk. With its adjustable stem, seat, and step-through frame, it allows different-sized riders to use the bike easily and improves overall comfort when riding on rough terrain. Customize your ride performance with 3 riding modes and Shimano 7-speed gears. The perfect dual-disc brakes and lighting system fully protect your safety. Haybike Ranger has more pre-assembly. The bottle mounts and the position of the front basket and rear rack have been installed. You can easily add accessories to your bike. Haybike Ranger is your best choice for any situation. Number 3. Magicycle. 4 to 7 hours fast charge battery capacity. The relatively low current of 52 volts 20Ah batteries help reduce the risk of overheating the battery system, which is rechargeable 900 plus cycles. Our electric bike long range is up to 80 miles. Our e-bike for adult climb easier and start faster. E-bike has 750W motor provides excellent acceleration up to 28 mph, 96 Nm is equivalent to the torque level of an 1000cc gas-fueled motorcycle. With throttle on demand and pedal assist, Fat Tire bike can get anywhere you want to go. The throttle is there when you need it, and the 7 degrees of pedal assist let you regulate your energy expenditure so you can always reach the top. The hydraulic disc brakes provide ample stopping power even in the harshest condition. Super sensitive brakes make even steep slopes a piece of cake. This electric bicycle has full-color screen shows speed, mileage, power output, remaining battery percentage, paw level and much more. Number 2. Bezier. LCD digital display that can clearly shows all of the important information such as speed, battery level, pedal assist level, distance, etc. Also, the LED headlight and horn button located near the left handlebar, making your ride convenient and safe. This e-bike has a 48 volts 15Ah lithium battery with key lock attached to its frame. You can charge the battery on or off the e-bike by your convenience. It takes about 6 hours to charge fully, and max travel range up to 35 miles under pure electric mode and 80 miles in pedal-assisted mode, depending on your riding style and weight. The 20 inches electric bike comes equipped with a 1000W brushless geared motor, able to go a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour, which is pretty fast. That provides more than enough power for your daily commute, a cruise on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite trail. The 1000W geared hub motor provides more power and 6-7 Nm torque. Features 4-inch wide fat tires, Bezier XF200 have more surface area contact with the ground than conventional bikes, providing better traction, stability and a smoother riding experience. Number 1. Walk. The 35Ah large capacity dual batteries electric bike provides a range of up to 120 to 170 miles, PA level 1 mode on a flat road, to help you along all of your adventures. Compared to other normal battery cells, this H6 e-bike's battery is more reliable, durable and safe. Walk H6 electric bike for adults was constructed of aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame seamless welding, with an integrated rear rack that allows you to carry more with you on your journey, providing a high payload of up to 350 pounds. The foldability made it perfect for apartments, cars, and other tight spaces. H6 e-bikes for adults are equipped with multiple shock absorption helps to absorb an even greater amount of force from impacts. Shimano 8-speed derailleur. Cruise control. 4 riding modes. 360-degree rotatable phone holder. Adjustable handlebar. Saddle, seat posts, and kickstand. Splash-proof fenders. Waterproof integrated cables. Integrated bright LED headlight and brake tail light. High-end packaging. 85% pre-assembled, easy to assemble. For all-terrain and comfort, are great for handling various rough surfaces, combined with the multiple shock absorption. You can expect better handling sorts of terrain, improved cornering capabilities, and an overall smooth as air riding experience.